Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Monday.com CRM mode for sales dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Monday.com. Press the Enter key to load the website. Once the home page appears, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the box for Remember Me. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your Monday.com workspace. In the workspace, navigate to the left sidebar. Look for the CRM section to access the CRM mode. Click on Sales Dashboards under the CRM section to open it. You're now in the sales dashboard of Monday.com. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. You can create new boards or view existing data from here. Explore the features to maximize your usage of the CRM mode. Make sure to utilize filtering and sorting options for data analysis. Now, you are fully logged in and ready to manage your sales dashboard effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.